A controller isn't just a tool, it's the bridge between you and the game. Now, GameSir takes that connection to the next level with their first ever wireless Xbox controller, and it's unlike anything you've seen before. Introducing the GameSir G7 Pro Wuchang Fallen Feathers Edition. Inspired by the Skyboard Might combat skill and Dragon Scale armor from the game, this isn't just a controller makeover, it's a fully featured wireless experience designed for precision, comfort, and style. For the first time on Xbox, GameSir brings true wireless gameplay. Connect via the included 2.4 GHz adapter to your console, or go wired for PC. Android devices? No problem. Bluetooth support means you're ready to play wherever you go. Every detail has been carefully crafted. Textured grips offer superior control, layered UV resin gives it a premium feel, and the removable faceplate features Wuchang's iconic silhouette. Even the matching charging dock elevates your gaming setup. Under the hood, the G7 Pro is packed with features gamers crave. MagRes TMR joysticks, a built-in gyroscope with mapping functions, Hall effect analog triggers with micro switch trigger stops, and 4 customizable buttons for maximum control. Every input is precise, responsive, and ready for competitive play. Add an audio jack, microphone mute, and a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, and you've got a controller built for hours of immersive gameplay. Plus, GameSir includes 2 extra D-pads, a braided USB cable, and a cable retainer for a complete package. The G7 Pro Wuchang Fallen Feathers Edition is now available for pre-order at $99.99, shipping this October. That's just $20 more than the standard G7 Pro, making it a premium upgrade for fans and competitive gamers alike. GameSir isn't just selling a controller, they're redefining what wireless Xbox gaming can feel like. Are you ready to level up your game? If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.